Hey everyone, thank you for joining this video. Thank you so much. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I wish you a gorgeous day after this video. Loads of love to you. Thank you so much. I'm off to meet my friend there in nature, go up the mountains, but just briefly I want to talk about the meaning of life. Now, it's sort of self-evident to a certain degree, but I want to talk about it from a spiritual real perspective too. The meaning of life, like God, source of the universe, whatever you want to call it, great spirit, it is limitless, and all possibilities, timelines and potential realities exist. So anything can happen in your future. It's all open. But for the purpose of limitlessness, what God, source, universe, great spirit wants is, or source, is to experience. So the meaning of life is experience. It's not just experience, because God, our source, universe, great spirit, experiences everything, because God, our source, the universe, is everything. So it wants an experience of everything, what we call the good, the bad, the up, the down, the happy, the sad, the peace, or the even the violence. But when stuff like happens in the world of duality, the world of physical normal life, stuff like violence spurs and inspires many of us to want to love deeper and more, and have compassion and empathy, and to help, and to be kind. So if it wasn't for certain unwanted, unprepared things by many of us, then God or source wouldn't have the experience of this like super powerful installation and inspiration of the desire to be like the opposite of violence, or the opposite of the things we don't like. So to make compassion, empathy, love, kindness, care, consideration, to defend, save, protect, nurture, build, uplift, empower, feed, all these good qualities we want to do to others and the world, okay, to bring and co-create harmony. So God, source, universe also wants us to experience what it's like to be co-creators, and also to experience what it's like in the physical form for everyone to experience diversity, which is different things. So and we need variety to experience everything. It can't just be one thing. If it was just a big loving love pot, then everything else would be missing outside of the simple love pot. So God wants everything, experience everything. Don't usually use the word God, but just a quick word, source, universe. Another thing God or source universe wants to experience is expansion and evolution and progression. So it's all levels of consciousness that God source allowed to be. All that it is was created, or is, for a perfect reason, and everything happens for a reason, everything happened for a reason, and everything will happen for a reason. So like the sages of all time say, all is well. But it's well in the divine sense, but in the physical surface level in the world, it mightn't be well. Like, we don't want stuff, and we'll protect and love our families and care for our children and all that sort of stuff, you know. Care for each other. So yeah, that's all I want to say, more or less. Like, so the purpose of life. Another thing that's very important is there's no meaning all by itself. Like, we give meaning to things by our own choice. So everyone is different. So we all attribute meaning to what's meaningful to us. So what's meaningful, you might call, is what you find fulfilling, or satisfying, or deep touching your heart. But that doesn't mean other people have to or should be like that. They shouldn't. Like, we're supposed to be different. So everyone, better go. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. I've arrived. Have a beautiful time in nature. Thanks. Love you.